The journey of sugar begins with the arrival of fresh sugarcane at the factory.
Here, the raw sugarcane is carefully weighed and prepared for processing. The sugarcane is then fed into powerful machines that chop and shred it, breaking down the tough fibers. Large quantities of sugarcane are efficiently unloaded, ready for the next stage of extraction. The raw stalks are transferred onto a conveyor system, beginning their journey through the factory's intricate network. These conveyors ensure a steady and uninterrupted supply of sugarcane to each processing station. The sugarcane is transported upwards, preparing for further refinement and juice extraction. Workers meticulously inspect the sugarcane, removing any impurities to ensure the highest quality raw material. After initial shredding, the sugarcane pieces are moved to the next conveyor, ready for juice extraction. The shredded sugarcane is then fed into powerful crushers, where the sweet juice is pressed out. This intensive crushing process extracts the maximum amount of juice from the sugarcane fibers.
The raw juice, rich in natural sugars, is now ready for purification.
The remaining fibrous material, known as bagasse, is separated and often used as biofuel. This bagasse is a valuable byproduct, contributing to the factory's sustainable energy needs. Further processing of the bagasse ensures maximum resource utilization and minimal waste. The processed bagasse is then transported for washing, removing any remaining impurities.
High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the bagasse, ensuring it's free from any soil or debris. High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the bagasse, ensuring it's free from any soil or debris.
The clean bagasse is now ready for further processing, often destined for energy generation. The continuous flow ensures a high throughput, maximizing the efficiency of the entire operation. The bagasse is pressed to remove excess moisture, making it more suitable for its intended use.
This pressing stage is vital for optimizing the energy content of the bagasse.
The extracted sugarcane juice, now separated from the fibers, is collected in large tanks. This complex network of machinery works in harmony to transform raw sugarcane into valuable products.
The dried bagasse is then transported to be used as fuel for the factory's boilers.
This sustainable approach minimizes waste and reduces reliance on external energy sources.
The raw juice undergoes a series of purification steps to remove impurities and clarify the liquid. The clarified juice is then concentrated through evaporation, increasing its sugar content.
Checking the juice quality is essential at this stage.
Multiple tanks are used for the continuous processing and storage of the concentrated juice. The juice is carefully transferred between stages, maintaining optimal conditions for sugar crystallization. The controlled flow and temperature are critical for achieving the desired sugar crystal size.
The concentrated syrup is continuously stirred to promote even crystallization and prevent clumping.
This large-scale crystallization process is where the sugar truly takes shape.
The removal of impurities from the surface ensures a cleaner and higher quality sugar product. Molasses, a byproduct of sugar refining, is collected for various other uses. This rich, dark syrup is a versatile ingredient used in baking, rum production, and animal feed. Regular sampling ensures consistent quality across all batches. The factory operates with a dedicated team, ensuring every step of the process meets stringent standards. These massive tanks are crucial for the various stages of heating, cooling, and crystallization. The liquid's movement and temperature are precisely controlled to optimize the sugar formation. Workers diligently oversee the automated processes, ensuring smooth and efficient production.
This is the concentrated syrup, ready for crystallization.
The syrup is now at its optimal concentration for the final stage of sugar crystal formation. The syrup is carefully transferred to the crystallizers, where the magic truly happens. This concentrated syrup is the foundation for creating various types of sugar products. Each stream of syrup is precisely directed to its designated processing line. The purity and consistency of this syrup are paramount for the final sugar quality. Seed crystals are introduced into the supersaturated syrup to initiate the growth of sugar crystals. This controlled seeding process is crucial for producing uniform and high-quality sugar crystals. The mixture is gently agitated to encourage crystal growth while preventing agglomeration. The developing sugar crystals are then transferred for further drying and separation. This stage ensures that the sugar crystals are properly formed and ready for the next step. The screw conveyor efficiently moves the sticky sugar mass, preventing blockages. The sugar crystals are tumbled in large drums to ensure uniform drying and separation. Additional sugar is sometimes added to refine the crystal structure and achieve desired characteristics. The remaining syrup, now separated from the crystals, is collected for further processing or other applications. Centrifugal force is used to spin off the molasses, leaving behind pure sugar crystals. The crystals are then washed with water to remove any lingering traces of molasses, enhancing their purity.
The clean, refined sugar crystals are now ready for drying and packaging.
The sugar is carefully dried to prevent clumping and ensure a consistent texture. The dried sugar is collected in large quantities, awaiting final sorting and packaging. Different grades of sugar can be blended to achieve specific product characteristics.
This blending ensures a consistent product that meets market demands.
The sugar crystals are meticulously sorted by size, ensuring uniformity for various applications. Each grade of sugar is directed to its specific packaging line, ready for distribution. The sorted sugar is then elevated to the next stage, often for storage in large silos. These silos provide efficient and protected storage for the refined sugar. The sheer volume of sugar stored here highlights the factory's impressive production capacity. From storage, the sugar is precisely fed onto conveyor belts for final packaging. The sugar is leveled to ensure consistent filling and packaging weights. This compaction step helps to remove air and create a denser product for packaging. The sugar is precisely measured and dispensed into individual packages. Quality control is paramount at every stage of production. The packaging line is fully automated, ensuring speed and efficiency.
The sugar is hygienically packaged into various sizes, ready for consumers.
Each bag is precisely filled to ensure accurate weight and product consistency. The sealed bags are then prepared for boxing and palletizing. The continuous flow of packaged sugar ensures a high volume of finished product.
Larger quantities are packed into sacks for bulk distribution.
Every package undergoes rigorous inspection, including metal detection, to guarantee consumer safety. Robotic arms efficiently pack the sugar bags into boxes, minimizing manual labor. The automated palletizing system ensures stable and secure stacking for transport. Each pallet is shrink-wrapped, protecting the product during storage and transit.
The finished products are stored in a vast, organized warehouse, ready for distribution worldwide.
In the control room, skilled technicians monitor every aspect of the production process.
Precise control ensures optimal efficiency and product consistency.
Regular cleaning of the pipelines is essential to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination.
Condensation on the pipes is a common sight, indicating temperature differences within the system. The bagasse is incinerated in high-efficiency furnaces, generating energy for the factory.
This process not only disposes of waste, but also powers the entire sugar production facility.
The factory's design prioritizes both efficiency and a clean, safe working environment.
Every batch undergoes thorough quality checks.
The factory operates around the clock, managing both incoming raw materials and outgoing finished products. At night, the factory transforms into a beacon of industry, continuously producing sugar. In the laboratory, scientists meticulously analyze samples at every stage of production.
Examining crystal structure is vital for product consistency.
Regular maintenance and cleaning of machinery are essential for optimal performance and longevity.
Sharp blades are crucial for efficient sugarcane processing, requiring regular sharpening.
Workers continuously monitor the automated processes, ensuring everything runs smoothly.
The water is purified and recycled, demonstrating the factory's commitment to environmental responsibility.
The intricate network of pipes and valves controls the flow of liquids throughout the entire factory. These large tanks are used for various stages of liquid processing, including clarification and concentration.
Organized storage ensures quick access to essential components.
The factory is a hub of continuous activity, transforming raw materials into finished products.
Precision cutting ensures uniform pieces, optimizing the efficiency of juice extraction.
This pressing technique maximizes juice yield, ensuring minimal waste of valuable resources. The fresh sugarcane stalks are fed into the primary processing units. The factory's advanced conveyor system handles various materials simultaneously. The processed material is carefully transferred, minimizing dust and ensuring product integrity.
Different components of the sugarcane are processed separately to extract maximum value.
These tanks are integral to the liquid purification and concentration stages.
The factory's infrastructure is designed for high-volume, continuous sugar production.
The clean and organized environment reflects the high standards of the facility. The sugar is carefully sorted to ensure uniform crystal size and purity. This elevated walkway provides a vantage point for overseeing the vast storage facilities. The automated packaging system ensures rapid and consistent bagging of the finished product. This mechanical process extracts the last remnants of juice and prepares the fibers for their next use.
These indicator lights provide real-time feedback on the status of critical processes.
Automated cleaning systems ensure the highest levels of hygiene within the processing tanks. Wastewater and residual materials are efficiently channeled away for treatment and disposal. Monitoring the material flow is crucial for process control.
The dried fibers are continuously moved along the conveyor for further processing.
The separation of sugar crystals from the syrup is a key step in refining. The warm, processed sugar is carefully transferred to prevent clumping.
The factory is a testament to modern industrial efficiency and scale. The dedicated team ensures the smooth operation of the entire production line. The rich molasses is carefully monitored as it flows through the system.
Digital monitoring allows for precise adjustments and real-time data analysis.
The finished sugar products are efficiently loaded onto trucks for distribution. From raw cane to sparkling crystal, the journey of sugar is a marvel of modern engineering.
The journey of sugar begins with the arrival of fresh sugarcane at the factory.
Here, the raw sugarcane is carefully weighed and prepared for processing. The sugarcane is then fed into powerful machines that chop and shred it, breaking down the tough fibers. Large quantities of sugarcane are efficiently unloaded, ready for the next stage of extraction. The raw stalks are transferred onto a conveyor system, beginning their journey through the factory's intricate network. These conveyors ensure a steady and uninterrupted supply of sugarcane to each processing station.
The sugarcane is transported upwards, preparing for further refinement and juice extraction.
Workers meticulously inspect the sugarcane, removing any impurities to ensure the highest quality raw material.
After initial shredding, the sugarcane pieces are moved to the next conveyor, ready for juice extraction.
The shredded sugarcane is then fed into powerful crushers, where the sweet juice is pressed out.
This intensive crushing process extracts the maximum amount of juice from the sugarcane fibers.
The raw juice, rich in natural sugars, is now ready for purification.
The remaining fibrous material, known as bagasse, is separated and often used as biofuel. This bagasse is a valuable byproduct, contributing to the factory's sustainable energy needs. Further processing of the bagasse ensures maximum resource utilization and minimal waste. The processed bagasse is then transported for washing, removing any remaining impurities. High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the bagasse, ensuring it's free from any soil or debris.
This rigorous washing process is crucial for maintaining hygiene and product quality.